So what I'm doing, I'm melting the butter. I need more. Hold on.
That's enough.
Wait, hold on.
That's enough.
And it's a little bit of more butter. Hold on.
No.
A little bit more. Alright. Do some more.
Okay.
Okay.
What else?
Then we put the grilled cheese on the. With the tonsils. If you get the tonsils.
Let it burn.
Okay. Now we're gonna butter the bread. I pressed the tonsils. Okay. Now we have to get the tonsils and flip over this one. Yep. Now you have to wait until the butter melts. Let's see. Ooh, toasty. Ooh, toasty. Toasty. Now let's butter that side. Oh, wait, hold on. Now we can butter this side. And now we gotta get the spatula and then we gotta press it down. Ah. We gotta put it right there. That's it. Ooh. Press it all the way down. Again, let's put the garlic on the bread. Wait, what is garlic the bread? Okay, let's check the toasters.
Wait until so that will melt the butter, the cheese inside. With the plate.
Toasty. Oh, let's take the toasters. Toasty. Woo.
Get the knife to cut in half. The sharp knife. Right here.
Oh, Sharpie knife.
The black one.
Okay, let's take.
Flip.
Ooh.
It's good? Or it's flip again?
Okay, guys, let's check the toasters.
Flip again? No?
No.
I've not really all like, don't touch them. Oh.
Look, guys, look, guys, let's see. Taste test. Oh, good. I gotta try it. Hey guys, if you guys want to see more videos of this, Cooking with Sam, then hit that follow button right there, and I will make a French toast cooking. It's only 2 ingredients: bread cut in half and butter. And I'll see you in 4 a.m. Peace.